Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about this error dyld library not loaded USR local OPT icu4c libicui18n.62.dylib. I have already installed PHP on my system. Later, I installed Node.js using Homebrew on my system. After that, when I execute php space -v in order to understand which version of PHP is installed on my system, I got this error. I will read the error message. dyld library not loaded USR local OPT icu4c libicui18n.62.dylib. Now let us understand what is the reason for this error. It seems like installing Node.js using Homebrew may have conflicted with your PHP installation. When we install Node.js using Homebrew, it conflicted with PHP on your system. Because Homebrew manages paths and dependency. Paths and dependencies managed by Homebrew. It is possible that PHP libraries got misconfigured after the Node.js installation. That's why we got this error. PHP libraries got misconfigured. Something happened to the PHP libraries. This icu4c is a PHP library. Something happened to that library. That's why it is showing in the error message. So what we will do? First step is we have to reinstall icu4c by executing this command. Then we have to forcefully link it by executing this command. Then we have to reinstall PHP using brew command, using Homebrew. Then we have to check which PHP is using in the system. There may be many PHP versions, but we installed a PHP version using Homebrew by executing this command, brew reinstall PHP. So we have to use that Homebrew PHP installation. So by executing this command, it will print out which version of PHP is using. It should point to the user local bin PHP. That means it should point to the PHP version at this location. This is the PHP version which is installed using this command, Homebrew command. If this command does not point to this location, then we have to update path. We have to update path variable. So in order to update path variable, we have to execute this command. This is the command to set path variable to this location for Homebrew PHP installation. Next step, still you got the error, you just unlink PHP and link PHP again by executing these two commands. If still you got the error, by executing this command, it will list all the available installed versions of PHP. And by executing this command, you can uninstall unwanted PHP version. We need Homebrew PHP installation. All other PHP installation versions you can uninstall by using this command. Here you have to change the version number only. In this command we are uninstalling PHP version 7.4. Like that you can give the version number and execute this command. Example for PHP 7.4. So follow these steps. Reinstall, link, reinstall PHP, check which PHP version is using. It should be Homebrew PHP installation. Then check your command php-v. If this which PHP is not point to this location, then you have to update path variable. For that you have to use these two commands. Then check this php-v. Still you got the error, just unlink php, immediately link php. Then check this command. Still you get the error, list all the available PHP version installed on system and uninstall 200 PHP versions and check this command. You will get successful message. You can overcome, you can solve this issue. Thank you.